For years, the San Franciscan coffee roasters have been the American legend of the coffee processing industry. They have become the featured centerpiece of coffee houses and roasting facilities across the country. The retro styling with solid brass fixtures and decorative side plaques makes the San Franciscan stand out from a crowd of mundane automated factory appliances. The durability and ease of maintenance makes these roasters the investment of choice for coffee business owners wanting peace of mind and a quality product. They are built for serious coffee professionals, people who truly love the art of roasting and want full control over their roast, the ability to innovate and achieve perfection. Each San Franciscan is lovingly hand-built from the ground up, crafted with premium steel to old world standards. They're proudly made in the USA, using only the highest quality components from the USA. Thank you all for supporting and sharing my Indiegogo campaign. Without you, my dream wouldn't be possible of supplying coffee to a coffee desert in the Owens Valley. Thank you so much, and here's a glimpse of my SF6 bean prepped for powder coat. Thank you again.